Okay, on display here is the Klipsch Gig XXL, the XXL. And as you can see here, it's got those RGB lights on the inside that kind of just travel around when it's not in motion or not playing any kind of music or anything. So it just kind of looks cool even when it's just sitting. We're going to do a little sound test here in a minute, but just to talk about some of the specifics on this TV, it does have the bass boost, color, light show, and strobe. A karaoke mic is included with this. It's got instrument input in case you want to play a guitar. You can sync two of these things together to have more of like a surround sound feel. It's got the powerful party sound, easy Bluetooth pairing, 8-hour battery life on this TV or this speaker. Let's go ahead and hit play and see what it sounds like.
It's too much to take it in, senses overload. One day you will feel alone. We can fly, we can fly.
Okay, that gives you a sample of some of the sounds or different types of music that can be played on here, and how the lights will go with the music depending on the beat. So that's pretty cool. This is the going rate at this particular Costco that I'm at for this speaker. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool speaker. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of idea if you're in the market to buy one of these. If it did, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video. Thanks.